Welcome back to another video about Cardano idea, guys. This video is very special for all Cardano holders because you know what, from yesterday the price of Cardano very badly falls, and you already know about that from the 1st September the price of Cardano falls down from a 3 USD dollar to again 2.82 cent. 82 cent price is the currently live right now price of the Cardano. So let me show you more about Cardano idea. Now you can see here 2.82 USD dollar is the currently live price. And furthermore, guys, if you talk about the price changes of the Cardano, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week changes over in the Cardano is positive, guys. As you can see here, if we look the market rank of Cardano, so 3, Cardano is on the 3rd in the market, guys. So a lot of people are buying Cardano, especially in a previous month. You already know about that Cardano hit a 3 USD dollar, and that is such a very high amount for a Cardano. Now from the price chart you can easily understand that is the last 1 month price chart of the Cardano. And you can see here every day you found Cardano is in the pump mode. You can see here the price pump in the market. So that's a very good idea for all of you to invest in a Cardano idea, because the changes is now positive. The highest price you can see here 309 is the highest price of the Cardano. So that's very good opportunity with all of you guys. Anyways, guys, I recommend for you to buy now Cardano and make a huge profit. Hope you like this update video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.